Happy Sunday, guys. How you all doing today? I hope you went to church. It's your girl Janearl, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this beautiful hair on my head. Please watch to the end. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl. Oh my gosh! It's been so long. I did a sit down video, like I did a video that I'm talking to you guys. Oh my, I love you guys. I've missed you all so much. How you doing? Hope you're good. So today we're gonna be making some crochet braids. Guys, things are quite expensive. See this weaving where we do 300 naira, 200 naira, at most 500 naira. Guys, I made this hair for 1,000 naira. 1,000. So this is how I'm gonna be styling the hair. Look at how extension that I'm using. This Freedom Braid faux locks. I don't know if you can see it. Freedom Braid faux locks. So it's crochet braids, and I got this for 10,000 naira. That was 2 months ago. If you know me, you know I'm a procrastinator. I was supposed to make this hair 2 months ago, but I was just procrastinating. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next tomorrow. 10,000 naira for just this one pack. That was 2 months ago, so I don't know how much it's going to be now. So, you know, this is the hair we're using. How it is. Okay. It's quite short. I don't do short hairs, but let's see what we can do.
My experiment.
This one where this girl do this weaving tiny. Just say this thing go do full this my hair. This is how it is.
Okay.
Just fit. Just count how many. 1, 2, 3.
So guys, if you have one pack of hair extension like I did, please do not make your weaving this tiny like mine, because this one pack was not even enough. It was not even close to being enough. In fact, with this kind of tiny weaving that I did, I would have used like 3 packs, and as you heard, one pack of this was going for 10,000 naira, and I think I made this hair in October. So this is when I just posted this video in December. So imagine how much it's going to be now that it's in December. So maybe it might still be 10,000 or it might be 12,000 right now. So if you make your weavings this tiny, just know that you're going to be using 3 packs of that attachment. That is 30,000 naira on top of one head. Oh god. Where are we going in this country? Anyway, I used the crochet pin to put in the tail of my hair, and then I did this weaving like this so that when I pack this hair it will have that illusion of like it's a single strand braids instead of it being a crochet braids. You understand? If you don't get it, forget about it. So please just follow the video. It's self-explanatory, and I'm very sure you know how to do a crochet braid. But if you don't know how to do a crochet braid, just put your crochet pin, open up your crochet pin, pass it through your hair, put the hair you want to use, close the crochet pin, and pull the hair through your weaving. I don't know if you understand what I'm explaining, but it's very simple. Let me show you guys again. I think I'm going to zoom it, use an effect to zoom it closer so you guys can see. I'm passing the crochet pin through my hair. Next, I'm going to carry the attachment and put it in, close it up, pass the attachment through my weaving, then open up the part that open up the top part of the attachment like you see me do, then take the ends and pass it through that opening and tighten it in place. That is it. It's as simple as that. So I'm just going to do that for all over my hair, or wherever the hair stopped, because like I told you, I did it for the back. And because I was not using mirror, see now I should have done the back on, should have brought it down. Fortune that was my human mirror was never telling me anything. So as you can see, I already went ahead to do the front part, do everything. I don't want to make this video long because I love you guys. I don't want you guys to waste your data. But please, as you're watching, please do not skip the ads on this video. Any advert you see that pop up, whether it's 1 hour advert, just kukuma watch it. Help me watch the advert. So this is me just vibing to the music that was playing in the background. Oh my lord, can you see your girl? Can you see your girl? The hair is just making me look. That's how making your hair will just bring out your face. You stop looking like an old woman. You start looking like youngy. See the way I was spacing, I was leaving a whole lot of gaps in this hair, just so that the attachment could reach me. Because as at the time I was making this hair, 1 naira like this, I not get inside my account to go buy another attachment. If not, I would have said, okay, let me buy another pack to help my life. But I did not have. The other one where I buy, I just bought it and kept it. I said, okay, I will do it. I postponed it until I think it was October that I did this hair. So yeah, I was just leaving a whole lot of gaps, and this is how it is looking. It's looking so full. You cannot tell. They can never know. If I don't tell you, you cannot know. Can you just see? So it's only when I open the back for you before you would know that something is missing. See now, the back is there. The back is empty. It's empty. It was not enough. It not reach. So I had to use it like this, because there was no way I could go and remove 10,000 naira to go buy another attachment. Lie. I carried it like this, and I was looking so gorgeous. And everybody, I took this hair the next day to church, like you saw in the first clip, and you're going to see in the next clip. I took it to church, and people could not tell it was crochet. Like nobody knew it was crochet until I told them it was crochet. Are you gonna be trying this hair for your Christmas? Just make sure to buy enough packs, to full your hair. Don't be like me. Don't be stingy coco like me. But from the back, you can't even tell that the hair is not full, right? So this part that is showing here in the front, my hair was quite short. I added one before and the thing pulled out because my hair was short. So later on, I used the black rubber band and tied it, and then still crocheted another one inside there. Though I did not show that on the camera, but I used that to fill in that part. And this is me looking all gorgeous. Look at how I styled it in church now. Who can tell that this hair is empty behind? You can never know. If you watched up to here and you're not subscribed, hey God bless you, my village people. This December, I thank God name beg you. Join the family by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video, and join the family. Do not forget to click on the all notification bell, not some notification, all notification bell beside the subscribe button, so you get notified of every time I post a new video. Enough talking, guys. Like, comment, share, and don't skip my ads, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.